Welcome to This Explainer. Let's just dive right in. Have you ever wondered if numbers actually hold the hidden meanings of our lives? We deal with them literally every single day, right? From the time on our alarms to the balance in our bank accounts. But today, we're going to look at them through a totally different, incredibly ancient lens. We're unpacking this mind-bending idea that numbers are way more than just tools for counting, that they might actually be the fundamental building blocks of our reality, our personalities, and even our destinies.
So, did you ever stop to think that your name might be a wireless portrait? It's a pretty wild concept, I know, but it immediately hooks you. According to the texts we're digging into today, your name isn't just some random collection of letters you got stuck with at birth. It acts as a trademark. It literally broadcasts your talents, your disposition, and your hidden urges out to the universe and to everyone you meet. It's like you're sending out a signal before you even say a single word.
Now, to figure out how all this actually works, we're pulling our insights straight from this amazing anthology, the Book of Numerology, the Essential Texts. What's really cool about this compilation is that it brings together foundational, early 20th century writings on the art and science of numbers. These are the pioneering thinkers who took ancient esoteric traditions and translated them into practical frameworks for the modern world. So this is our primary source material today. And let me tell you, it is packed with some truly fascinating perspectives.
So, what exactly is numerology? Well, it's the ancient study of the mystical significance of numbers. And we're not talking about some New Age fad here. The texts trace these concepts all the way back to ancient civilizations like Babylon and Egypt. The core premise, and you really need to grasp this to understand the source material, is that numbers weren't just seen as math symbols. They were viewed as spiritual entities. The belief is that the structure of the entire universe is reflected in numbers. So basically, understanding numbers means understanding the very fabric of human life. And that brings us to this massive, cosmic idea captured perfectly by the ancient Greek philosopher Pythagoras. He famously said, "All is number." According to the texts, Pythagoras was a scientific genius of the first order. He genuinely believed that absolutely all natural phenomena could ultimately be expressed in mathematical formulas. He taught the unity of all things, basically suggesting that if everything in the universe is connected, then the universal language binding the whole shebang together is mathematics. What's really fascinating is how the authors of our source text juxtapose this ancient philosophy with modern physics to build their case. Take this quote from Lord Kelvin, one of the greatest modern physicists. He noted that until you can express something in numbers, your knowledge is of a meager and unsatisfying kind. The text uses this to build a solid bridge between science and spirit. They're arguing that the ancients and modern scientists are actually pointing to the exact same truth. Numbers are the ultimate